Welcome to SA Messages, the next generation of SA group text. It keeps the powerful bulk messaging you trust, and now adds full SMS and MMS support as a default messaging app. Plus, new features like message export and birthday SMS scheduling. In this video, we'll focus on bulk messaging. Before you import contacts, prepare an Excel template. The template has three parts: define, message, and recipients. First, define. If the first column is define, the rows below are constants. You can reference these constants as tags inside your message. Next, message. This section defines the SMS body. Highlighted tags come from your define constants and your recipient columns. When sending, SA Messages replaces each tag with real values for each recipient. Finally, recipients. The mobile column is required. And the column name must be exactly mobile. And here's a quick preview of the rendered SMS content. Your tags are already replaced with the recipient's actual data. Now let's import your Excel file over Wi-Fi. Tap the plus button to create a new campaign, then choose Import via Wi-Fi. Make sure your phone and computer are on the same local network. Tap Start to enable the Wi-Fi import service. During the transfer, keep your screen on, and don't switch apps. On your computer, open the address shown on your phone in a browser. You'll see a simple upload page. Select your Excel file, then click Upload. Keep the page open until the transfer completes. Back on your phone, once the import finishes, SA Messages will open the campaign detail screen. The campaign is now in editing. In editing, you can update the message body, scheduled time, valid duration, and recipients. Now let's queue your campaign. While the campaign is in editing, you can still update the message body, scheduled time, and valid duration. Valid duration is the latest window the message is allowed to be sent. If sending is delayed beyond that window, the message will expire instead of being sent late. When everything looks correct, tap Exit to Pending. Once the campaign is pending, you can lock your phone or switch to other apps. SA Messages will start sending at the scheduled time, sometimes with a few minutes of delay. For reliable delivery, make sure the app is allowed to run in the background. Many Android devices restrict background activity to save battery, so disable battery optimization for SA Messages. To export results, open a campaign that is sending or completed. From the menu, choose Export. SA Messages exports the sending results as an Excel file. You'll be asked to share the file to an app that can receive Excel documents, for example Dropbox or Google Drive. On your computer, open the exported Excel report. It includes columns like send time, status, error code, and error message, so you can quickly review successes and failures. Thanks for watching. That's a quick example of sending bulk SMS with SA Messages. If you have any questions, please email us at the address on screen, or leave a comment below.